With the Meter Groups function, you can create custom groups of meters, allowing you to view their consumption on the platform either by group or by individual meter. Unlike use quantities, meter groups are facility and customer specific. If your reporting needs can be met using use quantities, we recommend using them primarily. Meter groups are suitable for use cases such as a commercial building with several tenants where you want to track their consumption either collectively or per tenant. Another example is a property with specific business operations or technical equipment whose total consumption you want to monitor separately. Meter groups are most useful when the consumption points of the property are metered with sufficient accuracy. Note that meter groups can only include measurements using the same consumption unit. Meter groups are a separate service and available only if activated for your profile. You can create a new group in the Admin section under the Meter Groups tab. Start by selecting the facility from the drop-down menu on the left-hand panel whose meters you want to include in the group. You can also select all facilities if you want to include meters from multiple properties. Next, click the Create Meter Group button in the top right corner. This opens a dialog where you can name the group and optionally add a description. Confirm by clicking Save. You will now see a table of all meters from the selected facilities that use megawatt-hour or kilowatt-hour as units. Select the meters to be added to the group using the checkboxes in the leftmost column. For each selected meter, you can define the portion of its consumption to be included in the created group under the percentage column. The default is 100%. The Subtract column allows you to define whether the meter's consumption is subtracted from the total. By default, consumption is summed. These columns become active when clicked. Once you've selected the desired meters, click the Save button below the table. After saving, a summary of the created group is displayed. You can edit existing groups by selecting the group name from the Meter Group drop-down menu and clicking Edit Meter Group Meters from the Actions menu. This returns you to the same table used for creating the group, where you can make the desired changes. Meter groups can be viewed under the Meter Groups tab in the period report of an individual facility. Viewing the consumptions of meter groups is instructed in a separate video.